Hey everybody, I finally got my voice back. I am just getting over laryngitis, so I haven't been able to talk for many days, but I couldn't wait any longer. I wanted to show you what I got in my Jollyvox box from Influenster. Skinny Cow Candy. I've been tempted to buy these in the store before and I never have. These ones are filled with peanut butter. I got some duct tape. This is called Ducklings Mini Roll. It's like $2 or $3 it says on it, $2 to $3. And look at how pretty it is. Isn't that cute? I know exactly what I'm going to do with this too. I got some puffs. That'll actually be fun to try because I only ever buy Kleenex brand. So I'm excited to try the Puffs brand. It says plus lotion, so we'll have to try that. Rimmel London Show Off Lip Gloss. I should try this right now. I don't know. Put this on. Look at how the color, it's like peachy. It does not look good at all. And it smells really bad. So I gotta take that off. That was not a good color. And it didn't go on very nice. This next one I'm really excited to try is the NYC New York Color HD Color Trio Eyeshadow Palette. So this looks really fun. Can you see? Just some very neutral colors. This is Long Beach Sands, it's called. That is what I got in my Jollyvox box this month. Check down below in the description box about Influenster. Anybody can join. It's really fun. As you can see, I get a lot of neat things and I love trying new products. That's really fun. So, all right, have a good day. Thank you for watching.